It's gonna be really hard just staring at hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars in your CRM, knowing that you could have converted them if your sales team went after every single lead like it was the last lead they ever had. If your CRM looks like a graveyard, it's time to automate. If it's just stacked with leads over here and you don't really know where you left off, you don't really know how to actually reignite the conversation that you had to begin with, you're gonna really wish you had set this up before, and you don't want that feeling. I've had that feeling before, and it's a terrible feeling. With automation, you never have to worry about that. It's never a problem because everybody is always moving from point A to point B, all the way to point Z, from new lead to job to review to referral, and so on.